lab assignment. Here shown a data to learn row column settings. To learn row column and data management. In this data we can do some tasks and learn the row column and data management. Here given the task, do each task carefully. Exercise second. Simple calculations. Write formula for each calculations. Each task, the output is given right. Write the formula to get this output.